Shubhadeep, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will talk about how to create a pivot table in Qlik Sense. Okay, here you can see this is my desktop version. Okay, and this is my web version. Okay, so in my documents, Qlik Sense and apps, in apps I put a sales customer data worksheet. Okay, so here you can see uh, here in sales data there are two tables. Sales data, there are sales price, quantity, profit, customer ID, and in customer details, customer ID, customer name, city, state, sales state. So this customer ID is creating a relationship between these two tables. Okay, so I want this data here. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll create a new app. So I'm giving the name like customer app. Okay, okay, so now in customer app what I'll do, let's open it. I have to create the connection, right? So add data from files and other sources. So I'll create click on here. It will take some time to load this one. Okay, so I'll go to my computer. Here you can see you can put path. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll go my file location. Okay, so documents, Qlik Sense, apps. Okay, I'll copy this file location and I'll put it here and I'll click here. So here you can see here there is a beneficial things. I can, if any file is in documents, Qlik Sense, anywhere, so I do not have to put this link again and again. If any files in any of the folders, I can click there and I can use that file. Okay, this is the thing. So and I have this one, sales customer data XLS. I'll click this one. Here you can see there are two tables, sales data and customer data. So I'll take click both. Okay, here this is the table version, this is the filter version. You can add any other filters you want to use. We'll talk about this later. Okay, then click on next. Click on next. So here you can see Qlik Sense is giving, like in the from the first table there is customer ID, from the second table there is also customer ID, and these two can build a relationship. Okay, this giving by intelligence. Okay, so click on this one, apply. So here you can see from customer ID to customer ID it created a relationship. Okay, now click on load data, go to sheet, edit sheet. Okay, so here you can see you have all the filters, all those things here. So I want pivot table, right? So click on pivot table and drag it here. Okay, so here you can see there is dimension and measures. So I click on dimensions. From here what I need state level. Okay, and now come on here, click on add. Then after state I need city. Okay, then again add. After city I need customer name, right, in dimensions. Okay, now add measure. So in measure what I need profit. Okay, then sum of profit. Click on profit, then sum of profit. Okay, if you look at this one, okay, it created a hierarchy like pivot table. Okay, now what I need year also here. Okay, so year I need in columns. So click on column from here I need date. Okay, so for that there is a date column, right? But here you can see this is a date column. Okay, but I do not need all those date columns here, all those dates here. I need year. So what I'll do, I'll click on this one, FX, go to FX, write like year. Okay, then put the column name, sales date. Okay, then click on apply. So you can see, so year came here, year wise bifurcation you can see here. Okay, now I want month also. So again I need add month. Okay, then click on add, FX, month, sales date. Okay, click on here, click on apply. So here you can see, if I do done editing, then here you can see I got first state, then I got city, under city I got customer name, right? Like this everything I got. Okay, and here what I got, this is I think blanks here, that's why it is coming like this, unless there is 2024 and 2025 data. So if I click on this one, click on 2024, here you can see month is also coming. Okay, month is also coming. So July, August, September, October, November, December, and like this. Okay, so if I go for 2025, January, February, March, April, it is coming like this. Okay, so like this we can create a simple pivot table. So I'll click on the done editing and click on apply. We'll talk about this one briefly in upcoming videos. So here you can see click on add title, click on here, I need yearly sales. Okay, yearly sales. So if I want to do some design, what to do, so select this one, go for appearances. Okay, in appearances, in general, I need presentation, styling. So in styling I need in title, right? So I'll put title like this. Okay, yearly sales, and doing random things. Okay, and color I need, no, I need this one. Okay, so something like that. Okay, I'll click on done editing. Okay, so okay, so like this you can create a simple pivot table. Okay, so if I want city name first then state, I'll just drag it here. Okay, then done editing first, then drag city name first, then come state. If I click here, then state comes later, then customer name. So like this you can use. So if I do like this, then month will come first, after that year will come. Okay, so right now if I select on month, here you can see year will come. So like this you can do, you can create a simple pivot table. In the next video also we'll talk about pivot table, how to do it, and advanced things here. Okay, and save this one. So if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, share it among your friends. Thank you guys, thank you.